Best Machine Learning Tools and Frameworks of 2023. Machine learning is an important aspect of modern computing, and it has transformed the way we interact with technology. Machine learning tools and frameworks have made it possible for developers. 5 Best Machine Learning Tools and Frameworks of 2023. First, TensorFlow. TensorFlow is a free, open-source software library for data flow and differentiable programming across a range of tasks. Second, Keras. Keras is an open-source neural network library that is written in Python. It is capable of running on top of TensorFlow, Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit. Third, PyTorch. PyTorch is an open-source machine learning framework that was developed by Facebook's AI research team. It is widely used for building deep learning models for a variety of applications. Fourth, scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a free, open-source machine learning library for the Python programming language. It provides simple and efficient tools for data mining and data analysis. Fifth, Caffe. Caffe is a deep learning framework developed by the Berkeley Vision and Learning Center, BVLC. It is an open-source framework that is used for various applications.